cell phone today is more than just a device for communicating with others. It has become an extension of ourselves, a symbol of who we are and what we stand for. We know how much people's phones mean to them, so every repair that comes through the door is an important one for us. We're basically taking care of a part of our customers. We want to do it the best possible way that we can.
We also have teenagers getting their first phones and kids looking to customize them, fit them with some nice cases or accessories. Everyone has their own identity, and they want the most important things in their life to represent it. For us, that means having a large selection of fashion-forward accessories. We have a very strong retail business, probably one of the more unique ones nationwide, and that means we've got a big inventory to manage. When you're running a store that's got thousands of different items in its system, your inventory management needs to be seamless. With RepairDesk, we got just that.
Our customers are very diverse and represent the way Americans shop today. They're quick on their feet, tech savvy, and shop online. So we wanted to make sure that our customers had digital access to our extensive inventory. With our previous system, we were very limited in what we could do. There weren't enough features, and one of the integrations that we really wanted to use just wasn't working for us. So we decided to switch. Having a stable e-commerce integration really made the deal. It made it easy to connect our store's inventory with online sales, so we had a centrally managed, updated inventory in real time for our online store and our 3 physical stores.
The POS has an extensive reporting system that helps us track performance across all stores. This also means that all transactions are recorded in software, making accounting so much easier for our growing business. With the software, we're able to provide our customers with a quick check-in and check-out experience every time they come in. And with text message and email notifications, they are constantly being updated on the status of their repairs. It's very rewarding to see them pleased with our services. From time to time, we've needed help to figure things out. The support that we've gotten from RepairDesk has been absolutely great. They've helped us in setting up our store just the way we want it, and if there ever is an issue, their support team works to resolve it with us so we don't have any roadblocks.
When we originally started as a family business in 2013, we wanted to work on something more grassroots and more connected with the people around us. I never imagined we would go this far. Today, we're celebrating a decade of serving our community. With the help of RepairDesk Enterprise Solution, we've grown to 3 locations. Myself, James, and Chris look after one each. We have our wives and families involved in the business. Their support has really made the business into this wholesome, family-run outfit that people could really relate to. We are part of a great Oklahoma community. In a way, I feel we're doing our part in helping bring people together, making each person feel like they've got someone looking out for them. And that's what it's all about in the end. That's who we are.